How to change course in Encode app. If you have been using the Encode application and want to learn on how to change course on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Encode application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now to change course, tap onto settings at the top right corner. Right here, select it. Then here you can find change course right here. Tap on it. Now to change the course, simply choose from one of these. So for now it is on the learn to code. Now to change it, simply tap onto another just like this. And now you can see the course has been changed to web. And that's it. This is how you can change course into the Encode app. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.